First cut open the seal of the box with the help of a cutter. Also discard the poly bags covering the batching chamber and top chamber. So here we have the top chamber, the batching chamber and the transparent chamber. Make sure that the gasket is properly placed over the downcomer tube of the transparent chamber. The transparent chamber, make sure that the nozzle of the batching chamber is perfectly fitted into the Then transparent chamber. Top up the top chamber with water until the transparent chamber is completely full. The water is safe and ready to use for consumption.
Here's how Purit's advanced germ kill technology works. Water flows from the top. It passes through a 4-stage purification process. First, the water passes through a microfiber filter that removes visible dirt. Then, it passes through the activated carbon filter that removes all harmful parasites and pesticides. After which, the germ kill processor uses gradual chlorine release technology to target and kill all